Hi guys, this is ICompete and we're back for a virtual video. We're calling it Tasty Tuesday and today we're going to show you how to make cake pops. I'm Rachel.
I'm Carlos.
And I'm Shayla.
So here we go. I'm going to show you what ingredients you're going to need and then we're going to walk you through the steps. So to begin, just a cake box, any brand, any kind is completely fine. And then some may call for different ingredients. Mine calls for 1 cup of water, 3 large eggs, and a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, all of which I have handy already. So to begin, you're just going to open up your cake box. Carlos and Shayla have already prepared theirs. So we're going to walk you guys through this video in different steps. I had a friend growing up that always suggested that we buy Duncan Hines. So I'm biased, but that's what we buy.
I think that's the one that I use too.
It is? You use that? So cake mix is already in the bowl. It calls for 3 large eggs, which have already been cracked. I'm going to pour those into my mix as well. I have my measuring cup out, and it calls for a cup of water. Making sure it's cold. Cup of water. And a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. I'm going to pour this for you guys. And then we're going to go ahead and get mixing. I'm going to mix everything and I will be right back to show you what it's going to look like. Okay guys, we are back. I have mixed up all the ingredients of my yellow cake mix and I'm getting ready to pour it into my pan. I've already sprayed it with cooking spray. So you're just going to pour it. Make sure that you preheat your oven. Mine was already preset to 350, so it's ready to go and get baking. In this next part of the video, Carlos and Shayla are going to show you exactly how to put together cake pops. Enjoy. We hope that they come out just as delicious as they look, and send photos if you can.
Welcome back, guys. So we hope you guys wash your hands before doing all of this, and we have. Now, while Rachel waits to put her cake in the oven, she's preheating her oven. Shayla and I already baked our cakes. They look like this.
They look amazing.
I already took a little chunk of mine. I have to taste test, you know. So for this part, this is the fun part of the baking process. So you're going to want to take your cake and put it in another clean bowl so we can crumble up the cake. And then for this part, you will be needing icing or some frosting, okay?
We'll return to show you what this is gonna look like.
Oh, now that we've crumbled up our cake, it should look like this.
This is all that should be in your bowl.
Yes, all like this. This is when we use our frosting, and then Shayla's gonna take us through those steps, okay?
Okay guys, so this is the frosting that I'm using. And for one recipe with 1 cake mix, all you're gonna use is about half of the frosting. And since I've made this before, I have exactly half left. So you guys are going to put this in there and mix it around. So you can put it inside. This is what mine looks like. It should kind of look like Play-Doh if you play with it. I mixed in half of kind of frosting, like I said, and I used all the cake. And you should be able to put it into a ball or play with it and make a little shape with it if you touch it. That's how you know it's ready. Carlos, how's yours looking?
It looks kind of like, what is that, kinetic sand?
Yeah, kinetic sand.
That's what it kind of looks like, guys. So that's how you know when it's ready. I think I'm going to try, like Shayla said, I'm going to take a small amount and see if I can form like a ball or something. And I think.
Is it sticking together?
Yeah, look.
Oh, nice.
Perfect. So that's when you know that it's ready. And now after this, you can just start rolling them into balls and having your little cake balls ready. I'm going to take a bigger amount this time. Oh, this is a lot. And then I'm going to try to roll it. Let's see. And then just to make a ball, you just want to like move your hands like this. Let's see. Look.
Whoa, that is a big cake ball.
This is actually really big.
Good,
maybe a little smaller, guys.
After the cake ball has already been rolled out, the next part is completely optional, but we have purchased almond bars. You can go ahead and follow the instructions for melting, and you can dip your cake balls in the melted chocolate for all of it to come together. Again, this is a really simple recipe. You can make it with your family. We definitely want you guys to stay safe in the kitchen, so be sure to ask for help when you need it. We hope to be back next Tuesday with another fun video for you guys to try. Thank you, Carlos and Shayla, for demonstrating, and we hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Take care. Stay safe. Bye, guys.